y'all, guess what? It's tea time. Let's chop it up. What's on your mind? Come on. I know you're in the mood for some tasty food. Ring that bell. Come on in. Please don't move. What's up, what's up, what's up, Teaser Buzz? How y'all doing today? What y'all doing today? Merry Christmas, guys. We are here in Vegas, Nevada. With my family. We got the mac, the cabbage roll, the rice with the baked chicken, the greens, potato salad, pot roast, yams, ham, dressing, cornbread, real cornbread dressing. Not that close food. I made the potato salad. I'm excited to try this cabbage roll because I've never tried one before. I guess it's like a meatball inside wrapped in cabbage. Oh, it's like a meatloaf ball. Okay, like a meatloaf wrapped inside the cabbage. It's bomb too. They got like a chicken casserole that had the rice, baked in the rice. That rice and shit is so fire. Got the blue on. Buzzing. Okay, y'all be streaming too. Oh, right now? Ham buzzing, partner. Our real cornbread dressing. I love dressing. Like this real cornbread dressing. I think that shit. Oh, this shit is good. I hope everybody having a safe, blessed, Merry Christmas. Many more to come. I hope everybody is warm and with their loved ones. Happy birthday, Jesus. Fire. Love y'all. Look at Ariel. Ariel! Say hi. Merry Christmas. Peace.